single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
What it up?
What's up? MK gang.
Gang, 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 gang. Okay, so today we're coming with the I can't even talk. Today we're here with a video.
Another video.
Who can eat the most in 30 seconds?
Also, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe before we start the video.
Always hit that post notification bell
So you can see when we drop another video. You can be the first to watch it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so what should we do first? Alright, so we're gonna start with some
tidbits.
pineapple.
Tidbits.
We both got 3 in the pack. That's what came in the pack.
Tidbits.
Oh,
Is
mine's
yours open?
leaking. It's leaking. Alrighty then, somebody poisoned my tidbits.
Tidbits.
Alright. So I guess we can. It say extra light syrup, bruh.
It's the diabetic segment. I'm stopping.
Oh wow. Oh
Wait, mine
wow.
open too. What the heck?
Maybe that's how they came out the baggie. Alright, so they not open. Don't cheat, don't cheat, don't cheat.
Mine I can't open these.
Alright. Well, we're getting 30 seconds, so let me
Tidbits.
put the snap.
Got some
snap.
pineapple tidbits. Tidbits.
See that? I don't know if you can see it,
Wait.
but yeah,
Can't see it.
they can't see it, but it's on 30 seconds, so it started. Oh snap!
Wait, you cheated.
Oh snap! Mm.
Too long. She might win all of them because my stomach hurt. You got a big mouth. I couldn't get finished the first one. That's the sad part. All I hear is I couldn't chill. Like I was laughing. I'm always laughing.
1 point for me.
This one open, but I can tell you that after the video.
Alright.
Can you not make sound effects when you're cheating?
Alright, let's do it. Right, a physics to the physics pop, but that, the crap, pop.
You don't win all this. I'm letting you know now.
I don't know about this. We got butter coming out of it.
I don't feel too well, guys.
Alright, oh crap.
Cheat.
Open it. Might as well just open it. Just open it so you can just dive right on in. Mine is full. She probably got less than me.
No, I don't. Mine just full as well, y'all.
Alright, 1, 2. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready to lose anyway, so.
1, 2, 3. Go. You want what? Fat part.
Okay, good time start.
Yo, the timing never started.
Oh, wait. This is
Okay.
only 30 seconds.
Timer never started. So, I might as well finish it. I'm going now.
Three years of that.
Still going. Still in the timer. I got 10 seconds. 7. Alright. That one's it. I won that challenge.
You took most of it at me. Yeah, you were the cheater.
Oh, it's a bit of a mess.
Well, we're
Alright.
thirsty now.
Alright, so now we got
Oh, I should don't.
some little Kool-Aid drinks. This some new, they say new. No one approved. They call it Sour Bird. I got watermelon salam. And it's sour. Show you guys some new stuff.
I got chocolate and blue raspberry.
Open them. Now, sour stuff takes a while. So this is our first time trying them. We don't know how sour and how easy it's gonna go down. But yeah. Make sure I set the timer this time. Alright. 1. Excuse me. A 1. A 1. A 1. A 2. A 2. A 2. And a 2. 1. 2. 3, 4, we got and a do. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
You gotta open these bitches. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh.
She drinks anything.
She's constantly thirsty.
Nah. Timer's done.
I finally got a point. Go Nate. Oh, go Nate. Oh.
Those are disgusting,
Nah,
man. They sour.
they too sour. Who wanna get sour drink? Like I can't.
You ain't gonna quench no thirst.
I can't drink this on the regular because you're definitely gonna need some water after this.
Alright. Next we're gonna do some skibbity.
Gush. We got some gush. Strawberry
Gush.
splash. Strawberry
Yes.
splash.
That was
Yeah, I'm gonna take my strawberry splash. That serves like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my gushes on the road. I'm gonna eat them till I can't no more.
Yeah, I got the snakes in the bed.
What I'm gonna do with 3 gushes in the back? 3.
Wait, I got all these kernels stuck in my teeth.
Really? What? Charlie? It's Mabel. Alright. 1, 2.
Look how tiny this head is though.
3.
Like a baby, right?
Baby battle back. Alright.
It's the baby. I open these.
1, 2, 3. Go. Well, you just throw these to the back like a pill. Popping a perk. I'm gonna eat them Yeah, come on.
Up, going up.
She cheating. Two. I just chill.
Look at my candy.
Right. I don't got nothing about it down.
Okay.
And cheating. Wow. What happened? You be back here? Damn. I didn't know these were so thick.
Well, I don't want dinner tonight.
Alright. My mom cooking dinner.
Can you eat them?
I think barbecue chicken, regular baked chicken, cabbage, macaroni and cheese.
The home cooked meal that you're supposed to get every Sunday.
While we
She
got
probably made some cornbread.
while we got the power.
Enjoy as scrumptiously.
Let me know. Y'all watch Power?
What y'all input on that? Cause Lord knows.
Oh my God.
I read the handful.
Alright.
You want already. I quit.
It's the holy moly donut shop.
Mr. Freshly, Freshly Donut Deals. Then Mrs. Freshly. Make life sweeter, delicious deal.
They probably talk like that.
You want to purchase a Mrs. Freshly? We had honey buns, baby cakes, donuts.
So childish.
For every taste we had, the first kid.
Take nothing. Sound like a hillbilly.
Why don't you come over to my trailer park?
Come on, you still got them open.
Well, god damn it. Calm down.
If I rule the world. Imagine that.
Yes, imagine that.
See all my love. And life is baby. My baby's a
Could it be something?
She don't know the words.
Okay. I got donuts. Check them out.
Alright. A 1, 2,
Probably nasty.
3.
Mrs. Freshly eating it. Freshly is big.
Show you how you do this. You take your hands, take 3 at a time. I'm gonna do a whole line of jokes.
I'll give up. It's not like
Alright, go on. Oh no!
what kind of bird?
That's so thick.
Miss Fresh being so fresh.
Yeah, look.
That thing's thicker than zipper. Check it out. I can't. She won that one. I don't think the timer could still went off by now.
No,
She keep doing it like. And these thick donuts for no reason. Like these things like.
God damn it.
Got these cheeseburgers, man. What you say?
I want me.
What do you say to me? Huh?
Craig, can I use your microwave? chicken.
She would say if I had air conditioner, I would let you borrow it. Can I have a donut? Peas though.
It sounds like it, right?
Wait, where my spoon? We got some Minute Maid frozen lemonade. Well, me, I got frozen lemonade flavor, and she has limeade cherry.
Yeah, baby. They might be. Oh, surprisingly.
We gonna have brain freeze.
Yeah, baby. So I got how many points?
Boogly. I don't even know.
Alright, we'll calculate that. Get your. Come on, get your thing on.
I can't my nails.
Alright, 30 seconds. 1, a 2, a 1 to the 2, a 2 to the 3. Go. Alright, timer on this time for real.
It's so tingy. Got my head already, babe.
I think the timer stopped when my phone locked. Yup. It be stopping when my phone locked. I won. I won.
This is so tingy. I don't know why I got lemonade.
Look what she did to my ice cream, y'all.
That's not ice cream.
I mean, my icy, yo. She put popcorn and donuts. I won. She eliminated.
If y'all get this, don't get lemonade because it tastes so tingy, like freshly squeezed lemons or something.
Also, guys, we can't stress it enough. Like, comment, subscribe to us, gang, so we can keep dropping more bangers and making more videos. And we're trying to get up there. Get up there. Get on up. Get on up. That's what we want to do. Get on up. So we do you too. Get on up. Hey. Alright. I'm going to say it one more time. Like,
comment,
subscribe. If you look on all our videos, on the right bottom corner of our videos, there's a little YouTube sign. If you click that, you can subscribe like that. Hit the post notification bell. Hit that bell so you can see when we drop some more videos and we got more bangers coming.
Soon we're gonna post all of our social medias for y'all, in case y'all want to keep up with on social media as well.
And if anybody want to do videos with us, we're gonna drop or email.
All's gonna be in the description box.
Yep. So you can email us and let us know, or you can comment on our YouTube channel and let us know, and we'll be glad to do a video with whoever, whenever, wherever, however, ever. I don't know. But
Ever.
see ya.
See ya, gang.